And now we have the zodiac animal that is known for being one of the strongest and most hardworking signs ever. This time, we'll be unboxing the McDonald's Zodiac Ox Happy Meal toy. Kung isa ka sa mga pinanganak ng year na to, you might be one of the most determined people out there. So tara, buksan na natin. At ito yung box. Ikot natin. Ayun, si Birdie ang nasa loob ng Ox. Check naman natin sa may taas. Ayun ang pangalan niya. Year of the Ox ka kung pinanganak ka ng 1937, 1949, 1961, 1973, 1985, 1997, 2009, 2021, at ang susunod ay 2033. Kung natawag ko yung year mo, pasok ka na sa Ox Zodiac Squad. Tara, unbox na natin si Birdie. Yan siya. Isa lang yung posing nila eh, no? Same Birdie pose nung sa mga ibang zodiac sign. Wala namang pinagkaiba. Ang maganda rito, pwede mong pagpalit-palitin. Kung gusto mo si Grimace yung nasa Ox mo, pwede mo siyang ipasok rito. Pwede rin si Hamburglar. So tara, suot na natin ang Ox costume. In the Chinese zodiac, the Ox represents strength, perseverance, and hard work. People born under this sign are known for being reliable, patient, and determined. Galing! Ibig sabihin, hindi sila madaling sumuko. Once they set a goal, they'll keep going on hanggang ma-achieve nila. Small steps, slow and steady, but always winning. Parang sinasabi nila, no? No shortcuts. Trabaho muna. So kung Ox Zodiac ka, chances are ikaw yung pinakamasipag at pinaka-focus sa barkada. At syempre, time naman para sa quick horoscope mo for 2026. Para sa Year of the Ox, this period may bring steady progress and success. Your patience and hard work will start to pay off. So steady pulso ka lang, mananalo ka din. And you will achieve something you've been working on for a long time. So ang lucky advice ko sa iyo, keep going on, stay consistent, and trust the process. So there you have it. We have the McDonald's Zodiac Ox toy. Strong, simple, and super meaningful for collectors.